Hey everyone, want to manage permissions in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to control access to your report step by step. First, open Looker Studio and open the report you want to manage. Make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to change sharing settings. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. This opens the access settings for your report. Now add users by entering their email addresses and choose their permission level. You can allow people to view the report or give them editing access. Viewer access allows users to see the report without making changes. Editor access allows them to modify charts, settings, and report designs. You can also manage link sharing settings. This helps you control whether anyone with the link can access your report or only specific users. Review your data source permissions as well, because users may need access to connected data depending on your settings. If someone no longer needs access, return to the sharing settings and remove their permission. Finally, save your changes and test the report access to make sure everything works correctly. And that's how you manage Looker Studio permissions. With the right access settings, you can share reports safely while keeping control over your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.